Maria mareketie kwiyumiria huko gwa Kikuyu Hot News TV ni ati riu Kare Priscilla ni areketie guproposerwo na proposal ya mamirioni ma mbeca ni mwendwa wake Benito. Kare aniriire uhoro uyu kuhitukira page yake ya Facebook thutha wake kuga mathaa manini tu mbere ya proposal matindire kirimaini magithaithanira kuri Ngai atekumenya ati mwendwa wake ni haririe kumusurprise with a big proposal kuona ti undu we ekui. Hihi we mwiroreri ni uri wona proposal ya muiritu mukurino? Hihi ikoragwo ihana atia? This is what Kare wrote on her Facebook page. Someone said I don't have a choice other than to say yes because if I said no, I would be a single mother. I had every choice. It's honestly sad how the bar is on the floor. Just because I had kids with someone doesn't mean I stop deserving romance. I'm not just a baby mama. I'm a whole woman worthy of being loved out loud. So, if that triggers you, maybe it's not about me. Maybe it's about the way you were told that this kind of love wasn't possible after babies or time. I said yes to the love of my life. It's the simple things that truly matter. The fact that he did not go for a ring because he knows I don't wear one as a Mokorino speaks volumes. Not only that, but he went ahead and proposed with a Gashuka, something meaningful and special in our religion. It's a symbol of married woman, and honestly, it means more than I could ever explain. Here is to love that is thoughtful, intentional, and real. So grateful to be on this journey with you, Benito. Na a Kenya oro ũndũ ũmwe na mafans nĩ mamakĩte nĩ ndeto ĩno na makĩria kũgerio nĩ matonyo marĩa Kare ekwĩhumbĩte, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtũmĩte maingĩre na mũrurumo mũnene thĩinĩ wa comment section, amwe makĩruta mahĩtia proposal ĩno na arĩa angĩ makĩmĩgathĩrĩria, and this is what they wrote. Wenye tuliona kani panty kujeni hapa. Better the ring than your dressing code. Wakorino original hawavaagi hivyo. Na staki matusi. Nimesema vile mimi huona Wakorino wakivaa. Vitu zingine hunikalia tu drama, being born and raised in the Wakorino way. Anyway, may this new journey bring you joy and laughter, more so wisdom. That's a real man. A man that understands you and your religion. May God keep you going. Mkimaliza mtuambie story ya South Africa yote ama hii pia tutachukulia kama uongoza social media. And from Kikuyu Hot News TV, we say congratulations Kare Priscilla and Benito. Keep on subscribing for more updates.